So today I would like to talk about OKR, Objective Key Results. OKR is developed by Andy Grove of Intel, and then he taught it to John Doerr. And John Doerr taught it to the founder of Google, and then he gave a couple of TED Talks, wrote a book, and then it spread like a wildfire all across Silicon Valley. And today, many companies adopted OKR as their goal setting system. So in OKR, objective key results. So the objective in the objective key result talks about why, about the purpose of the company, the objective we are setting, why we are setting that objective. So the objective should be very inspirational. It should be aspiring. And then second is keep it for the short term. It should be for 1 quarter or 2 quarter. You shouldn't be setting up a OKR for 5 years as such. And objective is never tied to your compensation or a bonus structure, etc. Another thing is OKR is not about KPIs. An objective is not about the projects also. And the best practices suggest that in OKR, the objective should be qualitative. There's no number should be there. And in key result, that should be quantitative. There should be in numbers. So when you're defining the key results, it should be very specific. It should be quantifiable, achievable, and measurable. So key results are, you should think about key results are like the dial on your dashboard, which is telling you whether you're going to achieve the objective or not. So that's what the key result is. And make sure that they are time bound and they are measurable and they will have a very clear KPI so you know which direction you are heading to. Are you going to achieve the objective or not? So here's one example of a good OKR. So the objective can be increase customer satisfaction. As you can see, it is very qualitative and there's no quantity there. There's no number and there's no time also. Because those things we have to put in the key results to measure our success, our velocity, the direction. So the key results can be improve customer portal search by 100% by the end of the first quarter. Have a working conversational AI bot by end of the first quarter with a precision and recall of 85%. Increase the customer rep training by 8 hours per quarter. As you can see here, the key results are quantifiable and they are time bound and they need to be a little challenging. Not too difficult, not too tough, but not too easy either. So here's another good example of an OKR. Objective can be make my channel organically grow. And the key results can be post one video per week, get 1,000 followers in Twitter, Insta, and Facebook, increase LinkedIn referral by 20% by the end of first quarter. Sign up for 5 new guests every month. So as you can see, these are very aspirational and quantifiable and time-bound key results. A bad example of OKR can be make my channel go viral, make video for my channel, get more followers. Now, these two things doesn't give any quantity, there's no KPI, so as the time goes by, I don't know whether I am going to achieve my objective or not, whether there's any success for me or not. So this is a very short description of what is OKR. I'm very much interested to hear your feedback, so please leave some comments.